Most social media feeds are just one endless scroll. Numeneon was built to fix that with what we call a river timeline. 3 parallel streams, thoughts, media, and milestones, all flowing side by side. Built with a React front end, a Django REST Framework backend, and a PostgreSQL database, let's jump in. Within its many features, there's a dark mode and light mode toggle. We call the dark mode neopunk and the light mode platinum, which you can toggle at any time. Once you log in, you'll notice that there's a computer science learning widget at the very top of the feed. Big O notation, tech jargon, loops, methods, vocabulary, and mythology pulled from many cultures such as Greek, Aztec, Norse, Hindu, and many more. Also fully bilingual, so you could toggle at any time to change languages. Each user's row has collapsible categories. Want to see everything at once? Expand into grid view, 6 posts, all paginated. Preferences are stored in local storage. You could refresh the page and it's going to be just as you left it. Posting is smooth. If you want to upload an image, for example, select your post type, upload the image directly or drag it, set your visibility, done. If you want to like a post, quick tap likes it, you hold it down and the reaction picker opens. Threaded comments, reposts, bookmarks, all there. Full messaging system using WebSockets. Messages arrive without polling, no refresh needed. Flip the profile card and you get a GitHub-style heat map on the back. Every day of the past year, color-coded by how much the user posted. Included is a bit of an Easter egg. It's a MySpace throwback we call MyStudio, with a skinnable music player, animated wallpapers, and a top 8 friend selection.
In this project, I built the river timeline, the flip card, the heat map, messaging, and design system. 4 people in 3 weeks. Thank you for watching.